Oh boy. Hey, it's been a long time since I worked on this thing. I've had health issues and all kinds of stuff going on, so I haven't had any time. And it's now winter again, almost the end of January here. Got to crank the heat on. Propane costs have gone up. Lots of fun stuff, as you all know. But what I got is that brand new tank. That looks really nice compared to that other one over there. A lot of work. That one's still good. I'll probably end up selling all that the old stuff. I got a brand new tank. And I got a brand new seat cover. The other one's ripped on the back. So, brand new seat cover, brand new tank. I think what's gonna happen here is I'm gonna put the front wheel on. I'm not going to be able to clean the front wheel up. I can wipe it down. I'll clean it up later, but I'm going to put it on. I want to get this thing mobile so I can move it around better. I'll put the front wheel on, get the skid plate on, and I don't know if I posted this on the last video, but the guy I bought it from called me up one day, says, "Hey, you want the kickstand? I found it." It was way in a corner buried. So there's no spring for it. I gotta find a spring. But we've got a kickstand anyway, so that's good. Kinda like to wait till we get some warmer days. I can spray paint outside, because when I spray painted inside last time, it made a big mess in here, even though I had it all cordoned off. Like I said, I haven't had a lot of time lately, and in the last month I bought a new project, so I'm gonna have to sell a lot of stuff to pay for it. That's the old seat cover. It's got a rip down on the side, little one. And on the back here, I was just gonna fix that, but on the back here, you can see there's a rip there, and it's starting to wear pretty good along here, but still a decent seat cover. Somebody might be able to clean that up. The tank, I started sanding it down. It needs a cleaning on the inside. A little bit of stuff from the gas that was left in there, but otherwise no cracks, no nothing on there. So like I said, I'll probably end up selling all the plastics, and that yellow thing in the background too, I'll probably be selling. So unless I win the lottery, and that's not likely to happen. I was just doing some work on the throttle. I had the new grip put on already. I got to clean all this up, spray out inside and outside in here. Got some cable lube for lubing up the cable. Make sure this is all clean. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. I think this is plastic, so I can sand that and get some black plastic paint or something, just so it doesn't look so scrapey. So that's what I'm up to. A little bit of dirt in there. And for those of you that never seen the inside of a throttle, that's all there is. Cable with a nub on it, and cable goes over, hooks in there. Nope. Cable's long right now. And then this piece goes over, and then when you're on and off, it's not hooked to anything right now, so it's not going to go back and forth, but I think I'll definitely have to lube that a little bit. It's not bad, it slides not too bad, but it could slide better. I'll hold it up so gravity goes down the line. I'll stand this up a little bit and paint it. And for those of you that wonder why I would paint up something like this and not get a brand new one, or a new or an old used one that looks better, I've run out of money on this project. Spent way too much money on this thing. Doubt I'll ever get it back. But I think what's going to happen is I'm going to end up selling this thing. Got a couple deeper scrapes in there. That was when the guy wiped out. Want to make sure that spins nicely. Woohoo! She's a spinner. Alright, just having a little look at the carburetor here. I'm sure, because the tank had a whole bunch of gas in it, I'm sure that this is going to be filled with turpentine. Yeah, that's looking pretty scungy. Can't even get it off. I don't even know if I want to even look in here. Yeah. Use the proper screwdriver. There we go. It's a JIS screwdriver. A little bit of a difference between the normal one and the JIS. Use the right one, it works good. Alright, who wants to see inside? If we can get inside. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hammer. Mullet. Rubber mullet. Oh boy. It's not looking good. I know this comes off because I had this off when I took the cable off. Ooh, slide actually comes out. That's a bonus. It's looking pretty turpentine-y. Got a little ridge right there where the turpentine was sitting. Yeah. Slide looks good though. Looks good in there. It's just this bottom that's going to be interesting. Let's try something different then. Oh boy.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh boy. Jeez. Yeah, gonna be new needle time, new jet time, new everything time. Okay. Okay, so Chris has tried to whack this thing off, and I tried to, well, okay, let's start that again. We're not whacking anything off. So Chris has tried the rubber mallet on this sucker, and I've tried it, and can't get it. A little bit of prying there, still nothing. I think I'm gonna have to soak this. I think that seal's a little bit old. A little bit of turpentine holding that sucker together. It looks good. So check out that stuff. Look at that. Oh, oh, it's like chocolate pudding. Right on. We're coming up on drastic measures here. The heat gun don't work, then she's going in a jar of turpentine or paint thinner and just sitting for a while. Alright, that didn't work. What we got was a hot carb. Might need a rebuild kit. I don't know. We'll see what. Yeah, there's the air screw. It doesn't look too bad. Needs a bit of a cleaning, but that was set at 1 1/4 turns. And that's the idle. Huh, choke's already loose. Ew, look at the garbage dripping out of there. Oik. Is that a word? Oik? Now we just got to get this thing off. I'm just going to put it in a vat of paint thinner and see if she loosens up. Okay, there she sits. We're going to let her soak. Maybe that'll help clean it up a bit too. Let the cable hang overnight with the cable lube in it, so hopefully she's lubed up pretty good down there. I haven't seen it come out the other end, but it's probably pretty good. And the carb has been sitting there overnight. So, any bets on whether this comes out or not? That's just nasty. I do not know what the deal is there.